Welcome back, everyone. This is Mr. Tanner again. And now that you've had a chance to look at the digestive system of humans, we're going to take that further here and really look at what happens when we've taken that food we've eaten, we've digested it, we've put it into our bloodstream, and our bloodstream has delivered it to every cell in our body. Every single cell in our body needs the nutrients that we eat. Well, how do our cells take that chemical energy, that food, and turn it into energy that our bodies actually use? And that's a process called cellular respiration. So this is where we take that chemical energy that we've used, usually converting it into a type of sugar, and we use it to build energy that our bodies actually work off of. So what we have here is a picture of an animal cell, because this happens in every single cell of animals. This has to happen in consumers. Plants actually do this as well, but we tend to think of this in animals. So you'll probably notice a few similarities between cellular respiration and photosynthesis, but like photosynthesis, cellular respiration is a chemical reaction that converts sugar into carbon dioxide, CO2, or carbon dioxide. So we tend to use, for us, carbon dioxide is a waste product. We move it through our bloodstream into our lungs, and we collect it in our lungs, and we breathe it out into the environment. We get rid of that carbon dioxide. But this chemical reaction is also used to make energy in the form of ATP. And ATP is just a chemical. It's adenosine triphosphate, but it's the chemical that our bodies use for most of our biological processes, including like moving our muscles. Every time you contract a muscle, it uses ATP. And we get this ATP built up from the energy released from cellular respiration. So let's actually look at the chemical reaction now of cellular respiration, and this is probably where you will notice another similarity with photosynthesis. So in cellular respiration, we take sugar, C6H12O6, and we react it with oxygen to produce carbon dioxide and water. So this is the exact opposite reaction of photosynthesis. In photosynthesis, we took carbon dioxide and water, and we produced sugar and oxygen. If you remember, in photosynthesis, over this arrow, we put light energy because it used the energy of sunlight to produce this reaction. So in photosynthesis, we have to put in energy to the system to get it to work in sunlight. Since this is the exact opposite of photosynthesis, we actually get energy out. So we get energy out of this reaction, and that energy is used to make ATP, that chemical that we use in consumers for energy. And again, this is not a balanced reaction. We need to balance this equation, but hopefully you remember from the photosynthesis equation, we just need 6 oxygens, 6 carbon dioxides, and 6 water molecules for this to become a balanced equation. So in a lot of ways, cellular respiration is the exact opposite of photosynthesis, because that energy from sunlight put into photosynthesis, we get out in cellular respiration. We make that ATP. And again, that ATP is so important for almost every single biological function that our bodies do. Thanks for watching these notes, and good luck on the level up quiz.